Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about Honda NX500 motorcycle performance. The Honda NX500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a machine built for exploration, designed to take riders beyond the ordinary and into the heart of adventure. With its bold styling, powerful engine, and advanced technology, the NX500 stands as a testament to Honda's engineering excellence. Whether carving through city streets, cruising on highways, or tackling rugged trails, this motorcycle delivers an unmatched riding experience. Built with durability, comfort, and performance in mind, the NX500 is the perfect companion for riders who seek freedom on two wheels. From the moment you set eyes on the Honda NX500, it's clear that this motorcycle is designed for adventure. Its aggressive bodywork, high front fender, and commanding stance give it a rugged yet sophisticated look. The LED headlight, with its sharp and modern design, not only enhances visibility but also adds to the bike's striking presence. The aerodynamic fairing and well-placed windscreen provide optimal wind protection, making long-distance rides more comfortable. Every element of the NX500's design is carefully crafted to balance aesthetics with functionality, ensuring that riders not only look great on the road but also enjoy superior performance. At the heart of the NX500 is a high-performance parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and responsive power. Whether riding through city traffic or pushing the limits on open highways, the engine provides excellent throttle response and a strong torque curve. Honda's advanced fuel injection system ensures efficient combustion, improving fuel economy without compromising performance. The refined exhaust system produces a deep and satisfying sound, giving the NX500 a distinctive presence on the road. The balance between power and efficiency makes this motorcycle suitable for both daily commutes and extended adventures, offering riders the best of both worlds. Rider comfort is a top priority in the NX500's design. The ergonomically shaped seat provides excellent support, allowing riders to cover long distances without discomfort. The handlebar position is optimized for a natural and relaxed posture, reducing strain on the wrists and shoulders. The footpeg placement ensures a comfortable riding stance, whether sitting or standing on rough terrain. With its spacious and well-padded seat, the NX500 also accommodates a passenger with ease, making it an excellent choice for two-up riding. Every detail, from the seat contour to the grip texture, is designed to enhance the rider's experience, ensuring maximum comfort on every journey. The NX500's advanced digital instrument cluster provides riders with all the essential information at a glance. The high-resolution display offers clear visibility in various lighting conditions, ensuring that speed, gear position, fuel level, and other vital data are always accessible. The intuitive interface allows for easy navigation through different settings, enhancing convenience while riding. Smart connectivity features enable riders to sync their devices, providing access to navigation, notifications, and more. This seamless integration of technology ensures that riders stay connected while focusing on the road ahead. Braking performance is a crucial aspect of any adventure motorcycle, and the NX500 excels in this area. Equipped with dual-disc front brakes and a single-disc rear brake, this motorcycle offers precise stopping power. The advanced ABS system prevents wheel lockup, ensuring stable and controlled braking in various conditions. Whether navigating wet roads, gravel paths, or steep descents, the NX500's braking system provides confidence-inspiring performance. The balance between braking power and smooth modulation allows riders to tackle challenging terrains with ease, enhancing overall safety and control. The NX500's suspension system is designed to handle diverse riding conditions. The long travel front forks absorb bumps and shocks, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The rear monoshock suspension provides excellent stability, adapting to different terrains effortlessly. Whether riding on rough trails or gliding over pothole-ridden streets, the NX500's suspension system maintains comfort and control. The high ground clearance allows riders to tackle obstacles without hesitation, making off-road adventures more enjoyable. Honda's precision engineering ensures that the NX500 delivers a balanced and stable ride, regardless of the terrain. Tire performance plays a significant role in the NX500's versatility. The dual sport tires offer excellent grip on both paved roads and off-road trails, ensuring maximum traction and stability. The tread pattern is designed to channel water efficiently, enhancing wet weather performance. The durable construction of the tires ensures longevity, making them ideal for long-distance touring and demanding terrains. Whether riding through mud, sand, or asphalt, the NX500's tires provide reliable performance, allowing riders to explore new destinations with confidence. Fuel efficiency is another strong suit of the Honda NX500. The motorcycle is designed to maximize mileage, allowing riders to cover long distances without frequent refueling stops. The fuel tank capacity provides an extended riding range, reducing the need for interruptions during journeys. Honda's commitment to sustainability is reflected in the NX500's eco-friendly engine, which meets stringent emission standards while delivering outstanding performance. Riders can enjoy the thrill of adventure while knowing that their motorcycle is both efficient and environmentally responsible. Safety features are a top priority in the NX500's design. The robust frame and reinforced chassis provide excellent impact resistance, ensuring rider protection in case of unforeseen situations. The high-visibility LED lighting system enhances visibility, making the motorcycle easily noticeable to other road users. The traction control system prevents wheel slip, improving stability on slippery surfaces. These safety features work together to enhance rider confidence, allowing them to focus on the road and enjoy the ride. Honda's dedication to safety ensures that the NX500 is equipped to handle any adventure with reliability and security. Maintenance and durability are key considerations for any motorcycle owner, and the NX500 excels in both areas. Honda's reputation for reliability is upheld in this model, with high-quality components and precision engineering ensuring long-lasting performance. The user-friendly design allows for easy maintenance, with accessible components and a well-thought-out layout. Honda's extensive service network and availability of genuine spare parts make servicing the NX500 convenient and cost-effective. Riders can trust that their NX500 will remain in peak condition for years to come, providing a worry-free ownership experience. Customization options allow riders to personalize the Honda NX500 to suit their preferences and riding style. A wide range of accessories, including luggage racks, crash guards, heated grips, and auxiliary lighting, enables riders to enhance their motorcycle's functionality. Whether preparing for a long-distance tour or adding personal touches for urban riding, the NX500 offers ample customization opportunities. Honda's commitment to rider satisfaction extends to providing high-quality accessories that seamlessly integrate with the motorcycle's design. The ability to tailor the NX500 to individual needs makes it a versatile and adaptable choice. The Honda NX500 is more than just a mode of transportation, it's a gateway to adventure. Its powerful engine, rugged design, and advanced features make it an exceptional motorcycle for riders who crave exploration. Whether traversing winding mountain roads, cruising along scenic highways, or tackling off-road trails, the NX500 delivers a thrilling and reliable experience. Honda's dedication to innovation and quality is evident in every detail, ensuring that the NX500 stands as a benchmark in the adventure motorcycle segment. With a legacy built on performance and reliability, Honda continues to push the boundaries of motorcycle engineering. The NX500 embodies the spirit of adventure, encouraging riders to embrace the unknown and seek new horizons. Every aspect of this motorcycle, from its robust frame to its high-tech features, is designed to provide an unparalleled riding experience. Riders who choose the NX500 are investing in more than just a motorcycle, they are embracing a lifestyle of freedom, discovery, and endless possibilities. Adventure riding is about more than just reaching a destination, it's about the journey, the thrill of exploration, and the memories created along the way. The Honda NX500 is the perfect companion for those who refuse to be confined by boundaries. Its blend of power, comfort, safety, and innovation ensures that every ride is an unforgettable experience. Honda has crafted a motorcycle that not only meets but exceeds the expectations of modern riders, setting a new standard for adventure touring. For those who seek a motorcycle that can handle every challenge, adapt to every condition, and inspire every journey, the Honda NX500 is the ultimate choice. Its combination of durability, technology, and performance makes it a standout model in the adventure motorcycle category. Whether commuting through city streets, escaping to the countryside, or venturing into the wild, the NX500 is ready to take riders wherever their heart desires. Honda has once again proven why it remains at the forefront of motorcycle innovation, delivering a machine that embodies the true spirit of adventure. Please like and subscribe to my channel so you never miss any updates.